Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Hooda Limited. Our analyst maintains positive view on Hooda with a price target of Rs 350. Q2 numbers were strong, driven by strong AUM growth and recoveries from NPS leading to negative credit cost, driving healthy return ratios. The company is likely to deliver a healthy book value CAGR of 17%, driven by strong earnings growth over FY24 to 27. There is a strong visibility of growth over the next 5 years, as it is the biggest beneficiary of government thrust on affordable housing and urban infrastructure financing needs. The most important thing to note is that most of Hudco's exposure is government guaranteed, thus risk is minimal, providing steady path for ROI trajectory. The stock trades at 2.3 times its FY25, 2 times its FY26 and 1.7 times its FY27 book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next we cover Allied Blenders and Distilleries. Our analyst maintains positive stance on Allied Blenders and Distilleries with an unchanged price target of Rs 450. It registered strong performance in Q2, beating our as well as street expectation, with net revenues growing by 2% year-on-year to Rs 868 crores and the operating profit margin improving by 354 bps to 11.9%. PAT grew by 4.2 times to Rs 48 crore. It plans to do a capex of Rs 525 crore to enhance the backward integration capabilities. It will help in improving EBITDA margins by 300 bps over the next 3 years. Investment has potential to deliver mid to high teen ROCE. Telangana overdue of Rs 350 crore will be reduced substantially by Q4. It will help in further reducing the net debt by end of the fiscal. The stock is trading at 48 times its FY25, 30 times FY26 and 26 times FY27 earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.